Hello guys, and welcome back to another Unreal Engine tutorial video. Today I'm going to be continuing talking and teaching you how to make a main menu. So the last time we made a level, and in that level we made a main menu and made the main menu work. So what you want to do is open up your main menu level that we did in the last part. Now if you didn't watch the last part, please go watch it now before watching this. So I already opened my main menu level. As you can see, it's black, just black darkness. So I click on play, and there's only these two buttons, which is start and quit. If I click on start, it plays this level. But if I click on quit, it just closes the game. So we already did that in the last part. Today I'm going to make a credits button. So to do that, we want to go back to our main menu widget and open it up, and we want to add a new button and put inside the button some text. I'm gonna call this credits, and I'm gonna go to appearance, color, and opacity. You can just give it any color you want. I'm gonna make it black. And as you can see, we have made the button. Now we can't actually make an event for now, because if we make an event, we still don't have the credits widget, which is the credits menu. We still don't have it. So we have to create it first before actually making an event on this button. So compile, save, and we want to go to our main menu folder, right click in an empty space, or just click add/import and go to user interface. Select widget blueprint, and then I'm going to call this credits. I'm going to click it, and I'm going to add an image. Now I'm just going to add the same image. I do really recommend adding the same image, since you don't really have to change the image. It's just kind of going to be a little weird, but if you want to, then that's okay. So make sure to anchor the image always, no matter if you just made a new widget or not. Always anchor it. So go to select the image, go to anchors, and select this, as you can see, because this will cover the entire screen. And then select your image. Now I have my forest image. Check all the test forest 1 and compile. And we want to add some text. I'm just gonna add a basic text that says created, and then I will say my name. So let's say created by Huscan. Now I can actually increase the size by going to appearance and font in the text and increase the size, as you can see. Now it's kind of way better increasing the size for me, because when I increase the size, it's more visible. And I'm gonna make this black. Actually, I'm gonna make this red to make it a little bit visible in this image. And of course, don't forget the button that lets you go back to the main menu. So we will make a button. I'm gonna make it a little bit big. I'm gonna put a text inside it, and this text is gonna say back. I'm just gonna call it back. You can call it whatever you want. I'm just gonna make that color blue, and click on the back button that we just created, and go down to events and select on clicked. And now what you want to do is create widget. So you want to connect this to create widget and select the class, which is going to be the main menu. After that, you want to connect it to add to viewport, and then you want to make the return value that is going to be the target. So compile and save. So now if we go back to the designer, as you can see, if we click on this button, it's supposed to open the main menu back again. Now you can add more text and whatever you want, but I'm just gonna at the back button and say created by Hascam. So compile, save, like that. After we have finished our credits menu, we need to go back to the main menu and select the credits button that we just created, and go to events, go down to events and select on clicked. So right now, after we select on clicked, we want to connect this to create widget, and then select the class, which is going to be the credits, and then connect this to add to viewport again. So, and make the return value target the same thing. Compile and save. And now I think if we test this in our main menu level, it's supposed to work. So click play in your main menu level, and we have the start and the quit. Now let's test the credits. When I click on credits, it's supposed to open the credits widget that I just made. So as you can see, it does actually open it, and if I click back, it actually gets back to the main menu, which is pretty good to see who actually made the game. Now you can add animations to this. I think I'll be making a part 3, because there is one problem about this that I might explain in the part 3. So yeah, as you can see, the start button and the quit button and the credits button created by Hascam. Back. And I want to end the video here. That's it for today. I might make a part 3, I might not. But if you enjoyed the video or learned something, please like or subscribe. I will really appreciate it. And goodbye.